Hello friends, so welcome back to our channel Writing Talks, and today I'm going to show you teaching aids on the different types of resources. First, I divided the resources into based on human involvement. So for making this, you need some chart papers like this and a cardboard at the end. So you need to wrap up that cardboard and paste other three charts likewise. Now I separated the first two types based on human involvement. First is natural resources, second is man-made resources. Then I wrote the definition of both and give some example. Like cotton, tree, rock, water comes under natural resources. Cloth, table, plate, TV comes under come under man-made resources. Next, based on origin, there are two types. One is biotic, another one is abiotic. And then I wrote the definition here and gave some examples with pictures. Next, we are having based on exhaustibility. One is renewable, another one is non-renewable. As you can see, renewable resources like sunlight, water, wind with its definition, and non-renewable with its definition. Some examples like coal, iron, petroleum. Next, we are having based on level of development. There are two types, actual resources and potential resources. I have given the definition here: resources that are already discovered, which are being used, and their example are petroleum, coal, iron, and potential resources that exist but we are not still using that way. So the examples are wave, solar, wind, etc. So this is a teaching aids on resources, types of resources. I hope you enjoyed it and you will use it for your class. Thank you.